Hello students, welcome to Sitaram online coaching. So in this video, we are going to deal with 1st July 2022 Current Affairs MCQs. So let's start. The first question is, where is Snake Island located? So this option A, Black Sea, option B, Red Sea, C, Baltic Sea, and D, Caspian Sea. So here, actually this Snake Island is also called Zmini Island. Okay, here you can see it. So this is the Snake Island which is located. It is also called Zmini. Okay, Zmini Island. It is in Black Sea. So here you can see Ukraine, and actually this is in use because Snake Island is a tiny island located in Black Sea. It is strategically important for Ukraine, but at the beginning of the Ukraine-Russia war, Russia took control over this island, and yesterday this island came under against Ukraine control again. So the correct answer is option A. Snake Island, which is also called Mini Island, is located in Black Sea. Now, second question. Consider the following correct statements regarding the Gati Shakti program. Option A, it aims to ensure integrated planning and implementation of infrastructure projects. Option B, 17 ministries work together under this program. Option C, it was launched in the year 2019. Option D, none of the above. So now, Gati Shakti program actually is an infrastructural program which connects road, railways and other sectors which ensure Make in India campaign. So here, see, look into this first option. It aims to ensure integrated planning and implementation of infrastructure projects. So option A is correct. So now let us look into the option B. 17 ministries work together under this program. See here, it is not 17 ministries, it is 16 ministries. Okay, so option B is wrong. And option C, it was launched in the year 2019. So here, Gati Shakti program is not launched in 2019. Rather, it is launched in 2021. Okay, so both B and C statements are wrong. So correct answer is A. So A is the correct answer for this question. Now the third question is, under which article, in the absence of Chief Justice of High Court, does the President appoint another judge to fill that position? So under Article 223, under Article 224, option C 221, option D 225. So in which article, under which article, the Chief Justice of High Court, in the absence of the Chief Justice of High Court, the President will appoint another judge to fill that Chief Justice of High Court position? So it is under Article 223. Okay, so President has a right to appoint Chief Justice of High Court when there is a vacancy in this position. Now coming to the fourth question, what is the main aim of Mitra Park? So option A, it aims to integrate solar power at one location in the entire district. Option B, it aims to promote innovation in terms of training about solar energy technology to students. Option C, it aims to promote women empowerment by promoting skill development in terms of solid waste management. Option D, it aims to integrate the entire textile value chain. So here, actually this Mitra Park means Mega Integrated Textile Region and Apparel Parks. Okay, so the main aim of this is to integrate entire textile value chains from spinning, weaving, processing, printing, the garments. Okay, so all these come under, all this chain process of textile manufacturing comes under this Mitra Park. So here, option D is, it aims to integrate the entire textile value chain. So Mitra scheme aim is this one. So option D is the correct answer. Now coming to the fifth question, under which article governor is empowered to appoint the CM and other ministers of the state? Option A, under Article 154, B under Article 164, C 174 article, D 163 article. So here the correct answer is option B. So under Article 164, the governor is empowered to appoint chief minister and other ministers of the state. That's all for this today's MCQs. If you like this video, to subscribe it. Thank you for watching.